Hey, fifth grade, welcome to the land of division. Remember, you have the option to use traditional or box division. I am going to be recording these homeworks in one way. If I find that a lot of you are using box, then I will also record it in box, but I'm going to record these in traditional this week. And if we need both, I will do both. So starting with 388 divided by 4, first number goes inside. Second number goes outside. 4 cannot divide into 3, but it can divide into 38 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. We subtract. 38 take away 36 is 2. Bring down our 8. 4 goes into 28 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. We subtract. 28 take away 28 is 0. Our answer for question number 1 is 97. There is no remainder. Sliding next door, 457. Put the 4 inside, okay? 4 goes into 4 one time. Remember, we can put this multiplication sign right here to help us. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 take away 4 is 0. Bring down my 5. 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 take away 4 is 1. Bring down my 7. 4 goes into 7 4 times, or I'm sorry, 17. 4 times 4 is 16. Take away 16 gives you 1. Our answer is 114 with a remainder of 1. Remember, as long as our remainder is smaller than what we're dividing by, then that is okay. If it's bigger, we need to take a look and see what we're missing, right? All right, sweet faces. 712 divided by 8. 8 does not go into 7, but it does go into 71. 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. 71 take away 64 is 7. Bring down my 2. 8 goes into 72 9 times. 9 times 8 is 72. I subtract and have nothing left. My answer is 89. 204 divided by 9. 9 does not divide into 2, but it does divide into 22 times. 2 times 9 is 18. 20 take away 18 is 2. Bring down my 4. 9 goes into 24 2 times. 2 times 9 is 18. 24 take away 18 is 6. 6 is smaller than 9, which makes this a remainder. My answer is 22, remainder of 6. We have a bigger one. 2,117 divided by 3. 3 does not divide into 2, but it does divide into 21 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract for 0, bring down my 1. 3 goes into 1 0 times. I have to bring down my 7, but I do have to put that 0 up top to show that I tried it and it didn't fit. 3 goes into 17 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 17 take away 15 is 2. It is smaller than 3, which means it's my remainder. My final answer is 705 with a remainder of 2. Last one for this page, 520 divided by 8. 8 does not divide into 5, but it does divide into 52 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. 52 take away 48 is 4. Bring down my 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 take away 40 is 0. That is the end of page number 2. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, I'm going to head on to page 2. So if you need to stop, please do so. If you're ready, here we go. We have 1,112. I'm going to put that over here. I'm sorry, 1,812 divided by 4. 4 does not go into 1, but it does go into 18 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. 18 take away 16 is 2. Bring down my 1. 4 goes into 21 5 times, which gives me 20. 21 take away 20 is 1. Bring down my 2. 4 goes into 12 3 times, which leaves us with a remainder of 0 and an answer of 453. Remember, if I'm ever not sure, I can check this with multiplication, right? If I multiply that by the number outside, these should match. So if you ever want to check your own work, have a built-in strategy using the opposite order of multiplication. All right, 3,476 divided by 6. 6 does not divide into 3, but it does divide into 34 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. 34 take away 30 is 4. Bring down my 7. 6 goes into 47. 7 times 6 is 42. Subtract for 5. Bring down my 6. 6 times 9 is 54, which leaves me with 2. 2 is smaller than 6, which makes it a remainder. Our answer is 579, remainder of 2. On to question number 3. 2,142 divided by 7. 7 does not divide into 2, but it divides into 21 3 times. 21 take away 21 is 0. Bring down my 4. 7 does not go into 4, but since it's in the middle, I have to show that I tried with this 0. Now I bring down my 2. 7 times 6 is 42, which leaves us with nothing. Our answer is 306. Remember, I can check this with multiplication. So if I forgot to put my 0 in and I just got 36 and I multiplied that by 7, I would see that my answer is way too small. All right, 724 divided by 4. 4 goes into 7 one time. When I multiply, I get 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down my 2. 4 goes into 32 8 times because 8 times 4 is 32. Bring down my 4. 4 goes into 4 one time, leaving no remainder. My answer is 181. 2 more on this page, loves. 312 divided by 5. 5 does not go into 3, but it goes into 31 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract, I have a 1. Bring down my 2. 5 goes into 12 2 times, which gives us 10. 12 take away 10 is 2. 2 is smaller than 5, which makes it the remainder. 62, remainder 2. Last one for this page. 278 divided by 2. 2 divides into 2 one time, which gives us 2. Bring down our 7. 2 divides into 7 3 times, which gives us 6. Bring down our 8. 2 divides into 18 9 times, which leaves us with no remainder and a final answer of 139. That brings us to the end of page number 2. If that's all you've done, please stop there. If you're ready for page number 3, here we go. Moving on to page number 3, Sweet Faces, 336 divided by 7. Jumping in, 7 does not divide into 3, but it divides into 33 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. When I subtract, I'm left with 5. Bring down my 6. 7 goes into 56 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. No remainder. Final answer is 48. Question number 2, 2,428 divided by 3. 3 does not divide into 2, but it divides into 24 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract for 0. Bring down our 2. 3 does not go into 2. It's in the middle of our problem. We show that we tried with our 0. We bring down our 8. 3 goes into 28 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract for 1. It's smaller than our divisor, which makes it a remainder. Final answer is 809, remainder of 1. All right, 1,834 divided by 6. 6 does not divide into 1, but it divides into 18 3 times. Oh, we just switched. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract for 0. Bring down our 3. 6 goes into 3 0 times. It's in the middle. We have to show that with a 0. Bring down our 4. 6 goes into 34 5 times, which gives us 30. Leaves us with 4, which is less than 6. That makes it a remainder, 305, remainder of 4. All right, 501 divided by 6. 6 does not divide into 5, but it divides into 58 times. 6 times 8 is 48. 50, take away 48 is 2, bring down my 1. 6 goes into 21 3 times, which gives us 18. We subtract to have 3. 3 is smaller than 6, which makes it a remainder. 83, remainder 3. 2 more on this page. 1,580 divided by 2. 2 does not divide into 1, but it divides into 15 7 times, which gives us 14. 15, take away 14 is 1. Bring down my 8. 2 goes into 18 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18, which leaves us with 0. Bring down our 0. 2 goes into 0 0 times. Final answer, 780, no remainder. Last one for this page, 803 divided by 7. 7 goes into 8 1 time. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract for 1. Bring down our 10. 7 goes into 10 1 time, which gives us 7. Subtract for 3. Bring down our 3. 7 goes into 33 4 times because 7 times 4 is 28. We subtract and have 5 left over. That is our remainder, 114, remainder of 5. That is the end of page 4. If that is all you've done, please stop. If not, here comes page number 4. 3,657 divided by 6. Let's set it up. 6 does not divide into 3, but it divides into 36 6 times. Bring down our 5. 6 divides into 5 0, and it's in the middle. We have to show we tried. 6 divides into 57 9 times, which gives us 54. 3 left over. Final answer, 609, remainder of 3. Moving next door. 1,476 divided by 7. 7 does not divide into 1, but it divides into 14 2 times. Bring down our 7. 7 divides into 7 1 time. Bring down our 6. 7 divides into 6 0 times. We have to show we tried. Our 6 is the remainder, 210, remainder of 6. All right, moving down to 905 divided by 4. 4 goes into 9 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down our 0. 4 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down our 5. 4 goes into 25 5 times. I'm sorry, it goes in 6 times. We can get one more. 6 times 4 is 24. Leaves us with a remainder of 1. 226, remainder 1. 4,056 divided by 8. 8 does not go into 4, but it goes into 45 times. Bring down our 5. 8 does not go into 5. We have to show we tried. 8 goes into 56 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. No remainder. Final answer, 507. 2 more. 1,103 divided by 2. 2 does not go into 1, but it goes into 11 5 times. 11 take away 10 is 1, bring down our 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Bring down our 3. 2 goes into 3 1 time. Gives us a remainder of 1. 551, remainder 1. Last one for this page, 424 divided by 8. 8 does not divide into 4, but it divides into 42 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract for 2, bring down your 4. 8 times 3 gives you exactly 24. Final answer, 53. That is the end of page 4. If this is as far as you've gotten, please stop. If you are looking for page number 5, here we go. Page number 5 of our division practice, also known as the last page for this week. So let's dive right in. 282 divided by 6. 6 does not divide into 2, but it divides into 28 4 times, which gives us 24. 28 take away 24 is 4. Bring down your 2. 6 goes into 42 7 times, because 7 times 6 is 42. There is no remainder. Final answer, 47. 3,344 divided by 4. 4 does not divide into 3, but it divides into 33 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract for 1. Bring down your 4. 4 goes into 14 3 times, which gives us 12. Subtract for 2. Bring down your 4. 4 goes into 24 evenly 6 times. Final answer, 836. There is no remainder. 1,408. We're dividing this by 4. 4 does not go into 1, but it goes into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract for 2. Bring down your 0. 4 goes into 20 evenly 5 times. That gives us 0. Bring down our 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Nothing left. Final answer, 352. 824 divided by 8. 8 goes into 8 1 time, evenly leaving us with nothing. Bring down our 2. 8 does not go into 2. We have to show that because it's in the middle. Bring down your 4. 8 times 3 is 24. There is no remainder. Final answer, 103. 630 divided by 6. 6 goes into 6 1 time, evenly, nothing left. Bring down your 3. 6 does not go into 3. It's in the middle. We must show this. But 6 goes into 35 times, evenly, nothing left. Final answer, 105. Last one for this page and this week. So let's finish strong. 7,047 divided by 9. 9 does not go into 7, but it goes into 77 times, which gives us 63. We subtract and have 7. Bring down our 4. 7 goes into 74 8 times, because 8 times 9 is 72. Subtract for 2. Bring down our 7. 9 goes in evenly 3 times. Nothing left. Final answer, 783. That is the end of our work for this week. Have an amazing weekend, mathletes.